barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz. Today we are cooking up if I can grab it here, we're going to cook us up a chuck tender roast. Just a small chuck tender roast, nothing real big. We're going to inject this thing. I got a little beef broth, Worcestershire sauce, and a little SPG kind of mixture. I'm going to try my own little injection today. We're going to inject this sucker, and we're going to season it up just like I would a brisket. Maybe trim it just a hair. There's not much to trim, but we may have to trim it just a hair on the bottom. And then we're going to throw this sucker on the smoker. So we are using my pellet grill today. I got a blend of oak pellets and the Royal Oak charcoal pellets. I find it gives it a really good flavor. So anyway, let's get after it. Let's get this sucker ready to go in the smoker. We're going to get the smoker fired up, and yeah, we'll get after this today. So let's go. Alright, so got the sucker to 160. We're going to pull it off and wrap it. Whew. Shrink up a little, but that's okay. It's kind of what I was expecting because it wasn't very big. Alright, pull that off. Alright, wrap this sucker up nice and tight. Just like that. And then poke back through it in the middle, stick it back on there, boom baby, just like that. Alright y'all, that's it for this week. I had a I had a lot of problems with my camera. I was replacing the batteries in my microphone, and then I didn't turn the microphone back on, so that's what happened in the last clip. I also filmed an ending to this video and all this other stuff, and sure enough, something happened. I don't know what it was. I don't know if I hit a button wrong or what, but for some reason they won't play. One clip entirely disappeared. Not sure what happened there, but anyways, that's all I have. As far as the fake brisket goes, the chuck roast brisket, if you will, it tasted good. It tasted just like a brisket. I mean, I taste-wise was fine, so I think you can do it. The problem is that piece of meat in particular was very dry when it came out. Now, I am not a fan of the wrapping things in the paper, the butcher paper. That is something, to me, it's just not my style. I prefer to put stuff in an aluminum pan or wrap it in aluminum foil. That way your meat sits in there with all that juice and just helps with that tenderization process and just makes everything, you know, you kind of steam your meat at the same time and helps keep everything super tender. So, I don't know if that was the problem. That's kind of what I'm attributing it to, but you know, it is what it is. It still turned out good. It still tasted good. You know, whatever. It shrank up. I didn't have much to really do anything with, so I cut it up and been kind of eating on it here and there. But, you know, it is what it is. So we'll talk to you guys next week. Not sure what I'm going to do next week. I'm not sure what I'm even cooking yet. So we'll talk to you guys next week. See you later. We love you. Peace out.